Hello guys, welcome. I just have to come on. Will this work? I don't think so. Okay, good. Welcome guys, welcome back to another stream. Today we're trading live, we're trading SPX and Nasdaq. We'll see what does better, but yeah, we're trading today, another trade day. It's Monday, so I'm excited for the volatility to come. Um, yeah, we're actually gonna see what happens. And hope you guys enjoy it. Conflict, hello, welcome everyone. We're just gonna wait a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna just share in my Discord. So one second, guys. Uh, Copy. All right. So. Okay, it's announced, and I mean we're gonna see what happens. If I'm just gonna quickly determine my liquidity, and to be honest, it's pretty easy. We come into this, perfectly respected it. Displacement, okay, that's nice to be honest. Now we didn't tap it yet. We might come back again, but we got a really nice liquidity down here, and then so sell side and buy side. Just gonna delete this because I'm gonna show that later as well, but we also have this imbalance here that could act as a resistance level for price to go above it. And let's see, high, low, high, high. Yeah, I think we do have a breaker as well right here, but yeah, didn't tap that as well, so we will have to wait. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait and we'll see what happens. So let's see the daily chart first. So where are we on daily? Let's look at SPX. So we are basically came outside order block now. We respected the 50% of the order block. Tap this. Order block was respected. I mean this smaller order block was respected as well. So now we are inside the daily imbalance. From this high to this low. I mean from this candle's low to this candle's high. It's a daily imbalance or daily fair value gap. Okay. So we're here. Let's see where we are. Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, we actually swept this low. So we are actually forming an SMT, and we're also inside the imbalance here. So that's SMT because SPX made a higher high right here. It's a higher high than this high. It's a lower high. It's a high low than this low. So low, high, low, and then Nasdaq low, low, low. So that's an indication that we made an SMT divergence. Let's see. See the 4-hour chart. Yeah, so we are inside imbalance. Let's see 50% of it. Okay, we'll react to. Do you know if the silver bullet setup happens during London Open? Does it make it less likely to happen during New York? No, not really. That's not. London session has nothing to do with New York session, silver bullet. If London session makes silver bullet, then doesn't mean, and it's not less likely that it's gonna form in New York session. It's just not. It doesn't work like that, you know. It doesn't work like that. So we got the low taken right now. The successor, hello, the successor. How are you? How are you guys? Welcome to the stream, everyone. Let's see. I think we have clear sell side liquidity right here. How long have you been trading? trading for a year, more than a year, but like ICT for like 6 7 months. ICT concepts, but yeah, I've been trading like for, but not like really trading, like, you know, support and resistance, stuff like that. But yeah, less liquidity can be tapped. Let's see if you're inside any new day opening gap. So Monday and Friday, so this is the gap right here. This is the gap, we're expanding from it. Yo, Ari made us. Hello, you trading today? Yeah, we're expanding away. So this is the daily fair value gap high, and this is daily fair value gap low, and this is just liquidity I have marked in the 5-minute time frame. Alright, I started off in retail too for about a month. Oh yeah, then you're good. I was like half. I was doing retail, but I was trading crypto only, like only crypto, like Bitcoin and those coins. 4 months using SMC. I mean, yeah. I mean, retail works too, but you know, people are making money with retail. That's for sure. Nasdaq has a really clean liquidity right here. Let's see what EU is doing, because I know some of you are wanting to see what EU is doing. Well, there's A30. Okay, so A30 open right here. There's not much. I'm probably gonna just look for some demo trades since Monday, but I only miss trading. I mean, Monday's good actually, made us. Monday's good. You may hear there's like manipulation and you should not be trading, but Monday is actually really good for trading. There is manipulation happening, and this manipulation is what we want, because we want liquidity. So, you know, and Monday is actually really good. But I heard retail saying don't trade Mondays, but the ones I wouldn't trade are Fridays. I would trade Monday, like, for sure, but Friday, maybe not. That's why I also didn't trade Friday last week. Yeah, indices dropping. London on Monday is really good. Yeah, Monday is good day. It's not bad as many people think. It's actually really good. 3 minute. Where's 3 minute? Ooh, 3 minute actually looks decent. Have a fair value gap here. It looks decent, to be honest. Not gonna lie. A 3 minute looks. I mean, it looks decent, but we'll see how we come inside the gap. We'll see. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute actually doesn't look too good, but 2 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute looks choppy. 2 minute looks. 2 minute doesn't look too bad. We got this small. Should I watch ICT or whatever you want? I mean, ICT 22 mentorship is like a model, but 2023, whatever you want, to be honest. You can, everything ICT mentioned in 2022 is basically thought, not the model, but you know, the fair value gap and the break of structure and other models are also taught in 2023. So I mean, I wouldn't really give up. I mean, when you start something, you're gonna come there and you're gonna learn either way, like before or after, and it doesn't really matter in my opinion. But if you really want to go like step, like how ICT wants it, then ICT actually posted on his Twitter how, which I believe it, which content should you watch first. He actually posted it himself on Twitter. like which concept, I mean which content should you watch first. So go check ICT's Twitter as well. I really like this Fair Value Gap, to be honest. We have huge displacement, a little bit of consolidation forming liquidity. I mean, yeah, trapping traders right here, going short at a breakout. So what I would like to see is a little bit more choppiness, entry, and then I would like to see this low taken, partials here, and then final TP. Alright, thanks, will do, no problem. Meta's Nasdaq is a 60-minute Fair Value Gap, looking good for shorts. Let me see. 60 minutes, so 60. Ooh, yeah, I see, yeah. Oh, Metas, yeah, beautiful 60-minute Fair Value Gap. Oh my god, I wouldn't see that, to be honest. Personally, I wouldn't see that. Really nice. Oh my god, that's actually really good. Yeah, I might be looking for short. Like, this is 1 hour, so this is basically a long-term high then on the 5-minute. It's fractal, but it's long-term high, so I would not expect price to go above here. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Metas, that's really good setup to be for shorts. Yeah, I totally agree with you. I'll take it, maybe 1% risk. Let's see. So this is 1 hour Fair Value Gap. So look, guys, this is the daily. So from here to here, this is the daily, right? And this is the 1 hour. We respected the Fair Value Gap on the 1 hour, and then we tapped into the into the consequent encouragement of the daily gap. So that is really good. Like, all analysis are like are coming together, and then we have this order block right here, this big order block, and then the wick of the order block is also like respected very nicely. So the shorts actually look very decent, Mates. I agree with you, especially in the 2-minute. This Fair Value Gap on the 2-minute, that is where my entry would be. It's really beautiful, you know. We got in the, it's in, wait, what is that? Oh my god, I don't know. It's yeah, okay, look, it's in the premium, it's inside the order block, and it's a balanced price range because we have a Fair Value Gap here. Plus the order flow is very bearish. We're respecting the the Fair Value Gaps and stuff. We're respecting the up close candles, as you can see. So Metas, yeah, no, I just go top down from high down. Yeah, me too, but you know, I'm not that much used to Nasdaq, but this is really nice. So respected it. You see the algorithmic delivery just comes to the top and then returns. Nasdaq usually goes above or something, but this is really precise. So I will see how we react to this 2-minute gap, and I will take a trade short from here, taking partials right here. Oops, taking partials right here, and below this low as well. So now we just have to wait, and then SPX is just not that good looking right now. Actually, the Nasdaq setup on the 1-minute is very good. I mean, the SPX setup on the 1-minute is very good, in my opinion, as well. We have a really nice 2-minute gap. 3-minute looks decent, but I like 2-minute more. And in my opinion, I prefer 2-minute. 2-minute gap looks decent, but Nasdaq is just moving so much nicely. So what I'm looking for is the 2-minute gap. This is the hourly imbalance, by the way. I'm gonna mark it in, let's say, blue. Join your Discord. It's very helpful and informative. Thank you so much. I post my trades, I post my results, I post everything. I'm not like hiding anything or something. So, do you trade you with 30? No, I don't. Yeah, I mean, this looks decent. Looking going lower, that's good. If we see displacement on the 1 minute, 2 minute, or 3 minute, that's gonna be really nice. Do I trade? No, I don't trade US30. I think I already said it. I'm not sure. Let's see EU. Well, EU is actually pullbacking, so a bid for a whilst I can. Yeah, sure. Let me just put you on stream. Hello, how are you?
I'm alright. Sick.
You're
I
sick?
just a little bit. I'm
So
feeling bad, but it's fine.
yeah, so yeah, hello, the 1 hour FEG you told me it was like
Yeah, that was really nice.
that was really really well respected.
Yeah, we're
And
probably gonna go down lower because there is liquidity for us to target, and I think we will go lower anyway, regardless.
yeah, I mean the sell side liquidity I'm watching is like the liquidity at 14,756. It's on my stream as you know
Yeah,
the first low, the first short-term low after the push up. That's the most
yeah, I've seen
likely
that.
joint liquidity for me, and how we respected the 1 hour gap. It's really like, it's really, I think it's really good setup.
Yeah, it looks really nice. I saw it and I was like, told you about it. Yeah, because I mean, on the 15 minute, but like the 1 hour looks like perfect to the tick.
Yeah,
Like
1 hour looks perfect. Yeah, and
it's
then we are
it's really good.
also we on the 15 minute like on Thursday trading where there's high of the 1 hour fair value gap. There's also two like
Hmm.
volume imbalances on the 15 minute, and they're getting
Yeah.
respected well, really well as well. So yes, but we went lower. Like what I'm looking at is like the 3 minute fair value gap or the 2 minute gap. But if we
Yeah, I
form,
like the 3 minute
yeah, yeah, me too. But if we
because
like,
it lines up with the order block as well.
yeah, and there's also a breaker block, right? It's a high, low, high,
Uh,
high on the 3 minute Nasdaq.
3 minute, is it the one with 751?
Seven, no, it's 821.
Uh,
You see
yeah.
high, low, high, high,
Yeah.
breaker, fair rally gap. I think yeah, the 3 minute looks very nice.
Because there was another breaker. If you look at 754.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah,
750.
and
One.
then we went up. Yeah, and then at 8 we went up higher, and then we broke,
Yeah, I
and then
see.
we
We
tested it
respected
really
it
nice.
to the tick
Yeah.
basically with the bodies. It's really
Yep.
nice.
Yeah, it's really good.
So yeah.
Yeah, look, no news today. It was good.
But
So
what
I
I'm
was expecting
expecting
something.
right now is like I would take a trade if we see a displacement. Like if we don't go lower, I would take a trade as well. But I really want to see displacement. The 1 minute would be
Yeah.
perfect though. Displaced on the 1 minute towards the south side. Yeah, I would probably take that. Not sure. So
Yeah, I guess you just have to wait for 9:30, I guess, because
yeah,
anything can
9:30
really still
maybe.
happen. You could, I mean, I have my limit order placed at about well, 14,787. So
Mhm.
it's like the top fair value gap, which it could but just possibly be ignored. It might not come up into there.
Yeah,
It
I'm
could be just like
thinking
a
too.
breakaway gap.
I'm thinking it's a breakaway gap as well. Yeah, but
But there is just that order block as well. It looks nice. Yeah, we just have to see because obviously there's no news, not a lot of manipulation, which is
yeah,
fine because Mondays are already manipulated enough.
yeah, but Mondays are actually like very good for trading.
I like middle of the week, like I like.
Yeah,
I mean, okay, I like
I mean yeah,
Tuesdays.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday are
yeah,
the
Wednesday's my
best.
favorite. Yeah, Wednesday's my favorite because
It's in the
you
middle.
already, yeah, you already see what Monday and Tuesday done, and usually like the last few Mondays, okay, maybe like not last week, but the week before, they were just very choppy and stuff.
Yeah, they were.
because it's just
Especially
Mondays is just,
SPX.
you know,
SPX
yeah,
was choppy. The
it's dips
most.
has been choppy. Yeah, dollar just swept liquidity on Friday, more liquidity, pretty much.
Yeah, there's nothing in SPX either. Just
So
similar
I
to
don't know.
Nasdaq.
Yeah, dollar is just so choppy as well. I think I don't know.
Let me check. Dollar.
1 hour looks choppy.
Ah, yeah, it's choppy. Especially, yeah, the 1 hour
Yeah, it's
and the
nothing really good.
4 hour as well.
Yeah, I don't know. So I'm really trying to like look at like I want to see potential lower prices for dollar, because then I mean, but then at the same time, like we could just easily see lower prices for euro, which
Mhm.
would mean dollar goes up higher. Because if you look at a weekly for euro USD, you can see that how we've like on last week's candle, we didn't tag the gap, the weekly fair value gap, but we came
Mhm.
close to it. And this week, what could just really happen, we could see it a nice pullback into the weekly fair value gap, and then we could just close it. Okay, I mean, if dollar is really bullish, then obviously we're gonna probably sweep the weekly swing low, you know.
Yeah.
But if we're not that bullish on dollar, then I'm at least expecting the weekly to get tapped at least 50%, you know. That's what I'm
Mhm.
really looking at, because we didn't really get that. There was a gap, but we only filled it as like a institutional order flow drill, or whatever it is. Institutional. I forgot
Is
what it is, but
institutional order flow entry drill.
yeah, that's that one. Because that's when like you barely fill the gap in. You fill it in by like a
Yep.
little bit, and then it goes up flying without. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at for Euro as well. Yeah, but Euro's been looking ugly as well. Like ever since August, it's just been kind of like choppy.
Mhm.
But yeah, I mean, yeah, last week Nasdaq was nice actually. From all the way from Tuesday to Wednesday, you know.
Mhm.
Thursday was a really nice bearish day. Obviously, I didn't really trade it. I did look a little bit because I missed trading already.
I mean, yeah,
But
I
this,
miss. It's weekends are like tough because you can't really trade anything except cryptos. Like
yeah, I usually don't even study that much ICT on the weekends.
Ah, me too.
Especially this weekend was just awful.
I
I was sick.
Yeah, I was tired so much on Friday, and I just like didn't do anything with related to trading over the weekend. I just like
Yeah,
put
just
it on
relax.
side and
That's
just and just
really good. You
yeah.
need a break
I came back
sometimes.
now.
Yeah,
But
like
yeah.
I'm gonna be trading tomorrow. I'll come back as normal.
Hmm.
Wait, hold up.
I mean, Nasdaq has I, I don't know if you can call displacement, but it pushed down. So
Yeah,
and we have two fair value gaps, what or something? Yeah, two fair value gaps.
yeah. This price action is a bit choppy though. I mean, I'm not really choppy, but it's like we didn't get a retracement at 8:30, 8:40 candle.
Ether, yeah.
Like 8:40 candle, we had like a 50-50 candle, but we didn't come in. So that trade's probably just. I mean, we're probably not gonna come back into it.
Oof, we're going to the south side now. The 2 minute fair
Yeah.
value gap would
Yeah.
really be good on
I
or the
mean, there's a
1 minute.
lot of inefficiencies.
Yeah,
I mean,
I would take
still think
the
we're gonna
highest one on the
go.
1 minute. Just 6 point stop and then 1 to 2 to the south side. I don't I don't know. We're probably gonna take south side without even
I
coming
mean, yeah, on the
back.
15 minute, I mean, both S&P and the Nasdaq, they have a lot of inefficiencies. So I mean, I'm expecting to see a potential. let's just say we hit, I don't know, equilibrium. I mean, I'm still bearish overall
Mm-hmm.
because even ICT, he was sort of talking about being bearish and stuff. He still thinks dollar might go up. Well, he doesn't really have a bias for dollar. Dollar can easily just go 50-50. You can go take more sell, more buy side, or you can just go trace into a weekly gap.
Yeah.
But yeah, right now I'm just really looking at Nasdaq, and I'm seeing how it's reacting from the 15-minute gap if when it comes into it. Because we already swept the 7 a.m. pretty much liquidity, but I want to see a deeper retracement if we're gonna. So then I can catch the retracement to the upside. The maybe Judas swing,
Yeah, Nasdaq probably not gonna tap my entry.
Which one did you?
The highest one with
Which
uh
Which one?
the
14,000.
no the 454 the 854 fair value gap on the 1 minute Nasdaq.
Ah, I see, I see, I see. Yeah, I mean it could still retrace because I mean we just touched the bottom of the 60-minute gap that I was talking about.
Mm, I don't. Yeah, I think we did tap the bottom.
Yeah, we just hit the bottom, so maybe we can have a retracement and then get your entry. Plus it's 9 already. Yeah, I just want to see what 930 does to be fair, because it's going to be interesting actually.
Mhm. Wait, let me see.
I mean, what could really happen? Because I've seen this before. How we've just from 8, we've just been going down and down and down.
Mhm.
We could just see 930 just go up really, really high, sweeping all the liquidity, all the trailing stop losses as like a Judas swing.
Yeah.
I've seen that before. I'm not an expert.
Oh my god.
Summer went, summer went too quick.
Yeah, it went really quickly. That's right. Really
School
quickly.
a, like a week and a bit. Oh my god.
Yeah, we can have.
Yeah.
Wait, we start on Friday. You?
I start on Mondays.
Oh,
Fourth.
Monday.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, I have another weekend.
Yeah.
I just want to see how September. I'm actually I can't wait for September actually.
Why not?
I want to see how we start trading September.
Yeah. Yeah, we have consolidation on Nasdaq. That could be good if we
Yeah,
sweep.
Nasdaq is consolidating. Yeah, I mean, as I said, it tapped the bottom of the 60-minute gap, and now we're looking to go potentially higher,
Yeah.
up into your entry maybe, which would be probably ideal scenario. And then we're probably gonna fall lower. I mean, it makes sense for that to happen, considering how we're trading. Yeah, we're a nice 30-minute breaker structure. I mean, a 1 hour looks really even better to be fair. Looks
Sorry.
good.
Okay, so it's around 8 points for. No, it's 7 points for the stop loss. Let's see. So persistence size calculator. NAS 100.
I mean, yeah, we're starting to see maybe a little retracement. I don't know if
So
I still want to keep
1,
my
2,
end. I
3,
mean, I don't really think
15,
we're gonna get
0,
to my.
0, 7, and
Hmm.
then 1%,
Hmm.
25, 1, 2, 3. Contract size 10. Alright. It's 3.5 lot size.
Yeah. I don't know. I might keep my limit order. Might as well.
M1.
I just don't like that we. I don't know. CEOs actually.
What?
I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep like my limit order just how it is, or should the one that was still the one from the 3 minute top 3 minute gap with the order block.
3.5.
I mean, I'm far off. Like, I'm like,
Okay, so when we
many.
come into the gap, I'll take my entry with market order. I don't really want to wait for limits. Your stream is... wait. Wait, is my stream blurred right now on YouTube?
Nah.
No, it's
I'm gonna
not.
have to go though.
You
I'm
have
gonna
to.
have to go.
You have to go.
Yeah, I'll
All right,
go.
man.
Yeah.
Take care.
Yeah, you too, man.
Good
Good
luck.
luck, Jordan.
Okay, so yeah, it's not blurry. Someone in the Discord said it's blurry, but just turn on the enable the resolution, so the HD, so high. I don't know what this stands for, but something with to have to do with high. I know. Okay, so we didn't quite reach our entry. Our entry was right here. We did actually come into the gap for SPX, but Nasdaq stayed untouched. So EU going down. Still very little, no entry. No entry for Nasdaq. It's 9 a.m. I want to see. I don't know if we'll get a Judah swing, to be honest, at the moment. I think we are done. Yeah, but Nasdaq is reaching quickly for my liquidity. I mean, that could be another entry. If we turn around, it's gonna be 5 points. So 5 points, 1%. It's kind of small stop, but lot size should be 5 in this case. Just a lot, but you know, we'll see. So yeah, I'll just risk 0.5% because it's such a small stop loss. So 2.5 lots then. Or I do 3 lots, because you know, if this just moves for a small amount, it stops me out, so that's why. Zekir, is it my connection or your screen blur? No, only my screen is weird. You know, you have to go. So Antonio, listen. You go to setting. You go to the YouTube screen, and then what you have to do is you have to click the settings button at the bottom, on the bottom right, and then click quality, and then change quality to 1080 pixels times 60, so HD resolution, and it should be good. So let me know if it works for you, and it should work for you. Okay, so we are gonna screen is fine. All right, Roman, thanks guys for thanks. Alright, so no trade right now. No trade. We took sell side liquidity. We could see a reversal right now. But yeah, the euro market is really going down right now. EU, Euro USD. So it's 20 pips, 23 pips. Took the sell side below here. Let's see if ICT tweeted anything important that could help us. So we do ICT and let's look at trader. Nope, nothing. I mean, I don't see anything neither, so I don't know. Maybe it should be like that because We took the sell side, we took the sell side. Now we could be going for this sell side or this inefficiency right here. This from this candle's high to this candle's low, this fair value gap. We could be going for this because I believe it's just around the equilibrium. Yeah, just below the equilibrium. And we took the sell side right now. Let's see what SPX did. SPX did take this as well. Let's see if it delivered 5 handles. Not yet. So this is a long-term low on the 5-minute. Let's see on the 15-minute. This would be an intermediate term low. So all flow is bearish, but as I said, the dual liquidity could be this fair value gap right here. This could be, we could see a Judas swing to the gap and then reverse, or not see gap, or see a gap untouched as well. So this is not my entry anymore. I'm waiting for new open. Yeah, partially as well, but there's no setup anyway, so I'm not just forcing trades. You know, have to wait. Yeah, so the setup would be this stop loss and then target liquidity. And yeah, from the fair value gap right here. Mm-hmm. Two-minute. 2-minute doesn't look too good as well. Yeah, we're going for an imbalance probably. So 3 minute, the fair value gap looks decent actually right here. We did take this, so it's aligned, but we're going below the fair. So let's see on hourly or the 15-minute what the chart brings us. We got this huge 15-minute imbalance. I think this is our jaw right here, right now. Is this aligned? Yeah, it's almost perfectly aligned. So I wouldn't be surprised if I'm waiting. Yeah, okay. I'm waiting for 9:30 now, probably. Not sure. Not sure. Not really sure, but let's see. At a 3-minute gap, maybe. That could be a reasonable entry. Yeah, that could be a reasonable trade. 9 points, 10 points. 10 points, let's say. 9 points, alright. Or just 1 to 3. 1 to 3, 3%. That would almost pass my challenge, I mean. Yeah, it looks good, in my opinion. Looks good. Let's see, US30, SPX. This is the low of the gap, by the way, guys. The low of the daily gap. So, EU. Yeah, EU has been distributing lower since, like, I don't know. We got equal lows. This would be nice liquidity to be swept. But right from this, I don't know. I'm looking at Nasdaq now specifically. The 3-minute gap looks very nice. Displacement below it. I think 5-minute candles looks way better. Let's see the 4-minute. Ooh, 4-minute. I don't know. The 3-minute looks the best, but 5-minute candles looks juicy as hell. You know, the big bodies. It's just very nice to see these big bodies. Like, if we traded back inside, I mean that 15-minute doesn't look too bad. It actually doesn't. This could be a very good fair value gap, but I don't think we'll trade up there. I want to see a more displacement towards this low. Personally, I wouldn't take this trade yet. But yeah, this would have been a very good trade if it came here and then short. Would be an awesome trade. So. Let's give us something good, Nasdaq. We want something good. Like a fair value gap and then more displacement. That would be nice. Very nice. I still know this place. Let's see. Respected the low of the daily gap perfectly. That's kind of what I expected, to be honest. That's kind of what I've expected. This is 5-minute long-term high. And this, oopsie, sorry. And if we trade like through here and then reject it, this could be a long-term low right here, because we swap liquidity and it's a long-term low. So New York open in 8 minutes. Actually, yeah, 8.5 minutes. Not a big difference, but yeah. Might want to check where are in terms where we are. And, I already checked that, Antonio. I already checked it. Don't worry. All good. All good. I did pre-stream and then I did some daily and 1 hour on stream as well. Just gonna stay on the 15-minute. So buy the reasonable buy side liquidity. I don't think this buy side's gonna be touched. We have a breaker, but then the next sell side would be this fair value gap and this low right here. But this equal highs can act as a support because it's a equal highs and a low of the new day opening gap. They're exact same, so we could see a reversal point from here. Maybe we dig a little lower into this gap, but since we're inside this gap, this could also be long, maybe to this buy side, because I know there's some on SPX. There's untouched PD arrays above this high, which means Nasdaq could go higher. And in this case, this would be the buy side liquidity and this the sell side. And then we have sell side liquidity below all those lows right here. And then buy side above here. But the most closest and the most reasonable, obvious, is this one. Or this gap above. I'd say probably this gap above. Yeah, this gap above would be buy side jaw. And then this would be the sell side. But we're gonna trade it later when we come to silver bullet. I wanna see how we react from here. Are you in a trade? Wall trade? No, I'm not. I'm not in a trade. I don't really like the displacement right here. And how we reacted from the low of the gap, you see? How we reacted to the tick basically from the low of the gap. I don't like that for shorts. But Did we form SMT? Yeah, we actually did. We actually did form an SMT between US 30 and Nasdaq. So yeah, well, I might take this trade. To be honest, I might take. Let's see. I mean, this fair value gap looks reasonable, but the R would be so bad. I'm gonna just take my entry from the highest one from here. 2.5. Alright. 2.5. I'll take it. 2.5 risk. Okay, so stop loss is 11 points. 2.5 risk, 10 lots, 10 contract size, and it's 1.1.2. So yeah, 11, yeah. And I'll enter with market order. Partial here, maybe at the 50%, and then at the low. Not sure. I'll manage that when I'm in a trade, because I want to see how market reacts. Can you tell us your win rate, please? My win rate, I can check my last trades, wait. So my last trades, so it was a win, loss, win. So that's win. So that's, wait, let me check. So how do you calculate win rate? Wait. So let me check losses first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five losses in total, and then wins is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wins, or 9. I'm not sure. I think that was a partial. The 9 win one was a partial. So I don't know if you count that, but and then you go 5 divided by 8. It's 60 to 70%. So just from this account, I have a win rate of 60 to 70. It's around 65, 66 with the partial. So 60 to 70%. And I usually go with my average is like, I've been taking some 1-to-1 trades, but before I've been taking 1-to-2 as well. So it's like all of it, so it's around 1.5 RR with 50%, with 65%, 66. This is from this account, which I've been live streaming, and live streaming is tough, the psychology and the trading just isn't same as, offline, off stream. It just isn't the same. It's much more pressure. It's much harder. You may not think it is, but it actually really is different. Understood? Yeah, it's okay. But on this account, it's 66. I don't know my whole win rate, because I've not been tracking my trades so much, because I've been only live trading, so how much, 3 months, which I've been not, like, live trading SPX, of course, like, but I've been demo trading, and I'm not sure what my win rate is. I think I lost those, because I was writing on paper. I was just so amateur, but yeah, I checked for you in this account. Do you have daily bias today? Well, today not that much, because we're inside a gap. We're inside a gap, and I want to see how we interact with this gap. So we are in. We tap the gap. I'm not entered yet because I see we have really tough and wait, Nasdaq. How much is it? It's 1.2. So I'm not entering yet just because I see because it's 9:30, and 9:30 entering right here would not be smart. And yeah, I would get stopped out because of the spread right now. Unfortunate. But yeah, I did not enter right here, and I would get stopped out because of the spread. 9:30 open, yeah, that's why I did not enter, because of the 9:30 open. Exactly. It's volatile. Very, very volatile. So I'm just gonna wait now and we'll see what 9:30 open does. Long term, we'll see. I'll be right back, guys. I just have to get some water. BRB. Hello guys, and oh my god, what a push up. What a push. God thank I did not enter this. Because I've been stopped out in a second. That's why I don't trade. And this is not a long-term high overall then. Because we didn't really go. I mean, it was until we traded back to the low of the gap. Now this is the long-term low, and once this got broken, the order flow is bullish again. Rocket ship, yeah, and we come below it, so this is a long-term low right now on the 15-minute until we break it. But I confidently think this is a long-term low because it's a low of the daily imbalance. That's a really big push up, bro. I entered without realization, but got stopped out, so it's kind of my fault. So you entered short meters, or did you long it? It was the 9:30 we just messed it up, and now we're pushing up. Let's see if like forex is just not reacting. Short from that 3-minute gap. Oh, it's okay, maters. 3-minute gap. Yeah, I see. But yeah, we're pushing up so hard right now. Oh my god. And then forex is just not reacting. Just look at this. Forex is just staying. Man, forex should be flying right now if it was in the sea. Like USD should be flying. Look at the Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq and SPX. Plus 1.3 of slippage. It's okay. It was 9:30, so yeah, there was some slippage. Damn, forex is going down when whoo. Nasdaq's just flying though. This is the high of the day in imbalance, by the way. So you could see a range pretty soon. But we did take this liquidity out. So it was a sweep. Let's see some gold movement. Oh, gold is just dumping. I guess that's good. But like EU is dumping too. Well, Nasdaq is Nasdaq's having time of its life, man. It's just pumping so hard, taking all this liquidity above here. It was formed, and then all this liquidity, and then imbalances here, and it's also a daily imbalance. So, oof, that's hard. Relative equal highs on SPX to get taken to then drop down. Hopefully, yeah, we do have relative equal highs right here, but maybe there could be an SMT right here form. We'll see. 1 minute. Wow, does it look like? So this is basically Thursday. Friday was taken out already. Wow. Friday was taken out already. Then this is Thursday high. Oh, Thursday high is high. It's right here. And then 50% of that range is 15 minutes. Yeah, and investment brokers. I see. I see the. So yeah, we do have our short-term low on SPX taken. Let's see the daily chart again on SPX. Let's see the daily chart again. So we do have relative equal. So we tap into the gap. The 50% was respected. We do have a low to be taken. Equal lows with this imbalance. 50% of the gap. Let's see it. Respected multiple times 1 hour as well. Tap into respected with. Oof. That's. Oh yeah, that could be a nice short. And then 930 Judah swing, but no fair value yet. So invalid. Oh, we have a really nice short-term low on Nasdaq. That's a really nice break of trajectory. You see how we went down and then we pushed back up. If you show displacement, that could be a nice short, but I still don't know. There's an SMT present as well. That's obvious, you know. That's obvious, really obvious. Just want to see something like. Okay, short-term high is short-term low is formed on Nasdaq. EU, I want to see this low, this high taken so much. Or this low. What is this? Alright. Alright. It's gone. So do you trade OTE? Not really. I don't trade the optimal trade entry. ICT student 717. I don't trade it, to be honest. You can use it as a confluence, but I personally don't really trade it that often. I mean, I know how to trade it, but it's not my main model. You know, I'm not focusing on it too much, but I know how to like trade it and stuff. It works, that's for sure. It works, but everything works in the right conditions, right? You end up support and resistance, me. Because like when you put it like that, some people are making good money with support and resistance, but it's probably just luck, you know. They lose everything at the end, so it's not worth it. And even if you have good risk management, you can be profitable as well. Even if your strategy isn't that good. I don't see a trade right here. It's ugly. This price action is very ugly. And then I mean, yeah, maybe if we do a fair value gap, if we get a fair value gap right here, but SPX just doesn't look too good to me. Maybe if we get a bigger displacement, otherwise I wouldn't trade this. I want to see a bigger displacement to the downside before taking a trade. Let's see. This is not too good, but If you drop like low, that will be good. If you drop low, that is a Judah swing visible, and then liquidities here, here, and then below all those lows. The main thing I'm focusing on right now is this gap. This gap looks decent. I'm gonna tell you guys, this gap looks decent for shorts. Short here, but I want to see a little bit order flow shown. A little bit more bearish order flow shown. Nah, I wouldn't enter here yet. It's not what I expected from this candle to close. So just gotta wait a little bit, guys. You gotta be patient when trading. US 100 get a good setup, but not the pair I trade. Not a pair I trade. It's EU 15 minute. EU closes at 10, right? I mean the kill zone. Yeah, it closes at 10, but it can be extended till 11 o'clock. So yeah. We could be very easily bearish right now, and I'm looking for that as well. But seems that we are not forming any gaps. SPX seems good, but not what I like. Yeah, I'm not taking this. I'm just having it marked out. Yep, some little displacement, but still not a lot. Since this is a long-term low as well in the 5 minute, I would not consider this being taken. I would like to see this respected. So a bullish setup from here. A bullish setup. Oh man, US 30 just dumping so hard. That's good to see. Yeah, that's good to see. Oh my god. More, such a dump. SMT, interesting. SPX, yeah, I would like to see a buy setup. No displacement. We have liquidity here. How much is that? Oh yeah, that can be. That could be met. We are inside this gap. Uh, Nothing yet. Nothing yet. It said maybe bullish again, but let's see. Forex indices are kind of choppy. Nothing's happening. Silver bullet hour in 5 minutes. Let's see indices. Oh, I mean, EU is going for those equal lows right here. Relative equal lows. Let's see 15 minutes. It's much more cleaner. So this is buy side. This is sell side. Yeah. It's a little choppy, isn't it? It's a little choppy. Oops, I clicked the wrong button. Sorry, guys. Let me change that back. Oh, alright, it's good. I accidentally clicked the wrong button. Sorry. So let's see how we're doing. Yeah. Yeah, we do have some small movement. That's good. That's good. It's very good. But it's choppy, you know. Very little Fair Valley gap. It is choppy. That's right. Nothing really that I like at the moment, so. One second, guys. I'll be right back. I have to find my phone. One second. So let's see. Nothing. Oh, yeah. Alright, year 30 just took out lows. Yeah, I saw this. I saw this. Oh man, it's pushing up. It's going up. Bitcoin, everything. Everything except Forex. Everything. Oh yeah, and the thing is taken out as well. Nice. It's very little trade opportunities, you know. It's just so not giving today. So there's buy side and there's buy side, but I doubt it because depends on how we like act with this daily gap. We'll see how we continue. So yeah, make sure to like the video, guys, if you enjoy the stream. I mean, it's kind of boring because I'm not taking any trades, but you know, liking the stream I would appreciate it very, very much. If you just click the one button, click the like button below, and then maybe 2 clicks to join my Discord because you know I have a new one and this would help me a lot, a ton. So please just click one button, the thumbs up button, and thank you so much in advance. Oh, you know, you have to be patient. I'm not taking any trades here because I know it's not high probability. You see how we're just ranging? It's just ranging. Nasdaq's much better, and this year 30 is good as well, but I still want to see some displacement because this right here isn't quiet. I mean, this is, but no Fair Valley gaps here. No Fair Valley gaps. I mean, there's this gap, which is really nice. And the silver bullet has also started. So we have this gap. Let's see what the range is, what the framework is. It's 50. You're good, man. Keep going, bro. Thank you so much, Dumpster. Thank you so much. Like, for what I see on SBS, I really don't know. It's choppy. It's nothing. It's just chop. Very, very choppy. Personally, don't like it, but Nasdaq's looking much better. Especially this order block. Entry from this order block would be nice. I don't want to see how you react. EU looks interesting. For shorts or for longs, bar hop? You mean the shorts or you mean looking longs? Going higher? That's good actually. For Nasdaq, that's very good. But I would like to see this gap open right now. That would be perfect. And then big push up, I would go long and target this high. At the moment, shorts. Yeah, EU looks interesting. That's right, but it's still, I don't know. We'll see. I want to see a huge displacement on Nasdaq now. And the fair value gap open, and then I'll take an entry at this fair value gap. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's actually very, very good, in my opinion. I would like to see one more push. and then a trade would be framed like this. 15-point stop, 1 to 2. Clean, just quick trade, you know. So let's calculate the risk. It's 15 points. Exactly. And then 15 is 1% risk. Alright, so it's 1.6 lot size. If we enter here, 15. So this is a good displacement, very, very decent. 1 to 2, 15, 1%. Alright. I just want to see how we react again. So this is my entry. This is deleted. Let's see. I'd like to see maybe this can not tap it immediately, the both fair value gaps, but so 1.6. Okay, we tapped it. No, we didn't tap it yet. It didn't tap it for me, which is unfortunate. Come on, just tap it. Alright. Oh, I got a bad entry though. I got the bad entry. Oh shit. That's not good. That is not good. Well, screw it. I can't do anything now. My entry is at 67. That's bad. That's bad. That is very, very bad. But yeah, I'm just gonna have it like this then, you know? Because the slippage is so bad, you know? The slippage is so bad. I can't like get it enough. It's so bad. Like, oh my god. I hate the slippage, by the way. I hate the slippage. Why? Like, I pressed enter right here. You know how good of an entry that would have been? But screw it. Screw this. Screw this. Not looking at my MT SPS sticker because I enter with the position sizer, so it should be good. Why did you say SPX look low and highs? Where, let me see. Oh yeah, it did, I see. It did. So we're coming back inside the gap. Let's see now. Wait, I actually got a good entry. I exited and then I entered again right here because I just didn't like my entry. So my stop loss is at 12. So my risk is pretty low, depending the entry I got. But my stop loss is at 12, and then we'll see. The only thing I don't like is SPX taking the high. So yeah. It's like this. So yeah, we'll just see. SPX to non-high. Yeah, I see. Could go lower. I just don't want to see it close like below this candle, because then it's really not gonna be good. Like below this candle close. I mean, if it closes, it's probably gonna wick me out, so it doesn't really matter anyways. You know, so let's stop loss to 95. T-pay is 3,400. It's 2.87. We'll see. The only thing I don't like is how we tap into this gap right here, from high to low, and now we reacted. Like I would wanna, okay, yeah, we closed. I don't think it, yeah, we did close below the body, so that's not good at all. So we'll just see. I kind of expect this to lose. I don't expect it to win from here. I think we're just gonna take this low and then reverse, since every asset swept it. So could be just a loss straight away. %, or so, I'm not too sure. As to Judah swing short. Yeah, it took equal highs. That's right. That's correct. But I still don't. I don't think we're gonna go lower on SPX. Nasdaq, yeah, maybe I'm gonna get stopped. I got stopped out, but on S. So yeah, for let's see, for $177. So a little less than 1%. So it's okay. I took the loss right here, but I don't think we have a Judah swing for short. I mean, yeah, for sure, SPX has a nice displacement, but how the order flow is bullish today is, I still think we're gonna go higher, to be honest. But we can react from any fair value gap here. Let's see. Yeah, I guess a losing day, that happens, guys. That really is just a part of the game. But when we come back, or no, yep, we'll see. What I'm looking at is how like US30 is just going lower, and we have some equal lows just taken, almost taken, and then EU sell side actually here. And then buy side above the high, or here, could be there as well. So yeah. Yeah, well, good thing we had our stop loss in place. Alright guys, that's it. I'm not gonna trade anymore today. It was a loss of a little less than 1%, which is good. It was controlled, so I'm still up on the account. No worries, we're gonna pass this. So thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna close the stream right now. It was a loss, as you saw, but there's nothing wrong with it. So yeah, I accidentally closed the trading view already. But if you didn't like the video, like the stream, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Goodbye. Stay safe.